In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a website on the Namecheap. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, sorry. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open your browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, it could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into the URL section and simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, if you have an account, make sure to go and hover the sign in, enter your username and password, click at sign in to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go into the sign up option to create an account. Of course, you'll have to sign up manually because they don't have the fast sign up option with Google or something like that, like a lot of other websites. So make sure to do one of those two options and you will find yourself on something like that with your account. As you said, you would like to set up a hosting account or a website, which is a hosting account on the Namecheap. So how can you do that? So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just connect your domain name to your hosting package. So of course, you can just go into your domain list right here, like navigate to the domain name that you want and click at manage. Once you're here, make sure to go or to stay on this domain and then scroll down until you find this name servers. Here, you'd like to select this second option, which is Namecheap with hosting DNS. And of course, you'll have to click at this check button to save the changes and you will actually be good to go. Of course, once the name servers are set, it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for everything to update. Don't worry though, you can start building your website before this process is complete. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.